In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Reels using Canva. This process is simple, creative, and perfect for anyone looking to enhance their social media presence. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva in your browser and head over to the search bar. You'll want to type Instagram Reels into the search field. This is the magic phrase that will unlock a treasure trove of templates designed specifically for creating eye-catching reels. Once you hit enter, the world of design possibilities is laid out in front of you. Next, browse through the selection of templates that Canva offers. You're going to see a variety of styles and formats, some vibrant, others minimalistic, and everything in between. Find one that resonates with your brand or the message you want to convey. When you find the right one, go ahead and select that template. Don't overthink it, trust your gut. Once you've chosen the template, it's time to make it your own. Click on the option that says Customize this template. This is where the fun begins. You can now start editing and personalizing the template to suit your content. Change the colors to match your branding, update the text to reflect your message, and of course you can add images or videos that are relevant to what you want to share. As you're customizing, you might notice that the video is longer than you'd like. Not a problem. Canva makes it easy to select and adjust the duration of your video. Simply choose the clips within your reel that you need to trim down to your desired length. This flexibility ensures your content remains concise and engaging, perfectly tailored for Instagram's format. Now in the top corner you'll notice three little dots. Click on those dots to access more editing options. Here you'll find the split page function, which allows you to break your video into two parts. If there's a portion of your video that isn't working, you can split the page and remove it altogether. This makes ensuring every second of your video is impactful and on message effortless. And there you have it. From start to finish, you've now created a personalized, dynamic Instagram reel using Canva. This tool offers such flexibility and creativity, allowing you to produce professional quality reels that are sure to stand out in anyone's feed. Remember, the key to a great reel is making it genuine and true to your style or brand. So go on, get creative, and enjoy the process of sharing your unique content with the world. Happy designing!